1, 2, 3, 4, throw up the 5.
MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you want.
Project,
This ain't what you want.
What it do, folks, man? Top Shelf Talk is here, man. We got a great game against the Chiefs. That play was crazy. Wait until you see what happens at the end, boy. If you're not following me, man, TikTok is Prince Grizzly. Show some love.
Easy. Hey, Alex. Check it. Sugar! Alert! Rip!
I don't know.
He's
Alpha! Hey, check!
Jumped at. It's like I'm.
He's still close.
And,
Hey, Alabama, Alabama.
I need you to fight through that, bro. So he's manning the running back up with the safety, which is kind of, excuse me, making that a difficult throw.
Hey, 66. Ozzy.
It really is, though.
Check it, reload. Hey.
He man blitz me. This should be a bucket right here.
Hey, check it. Alert.
No, whoa. What type of route combo was that?
Alert. What he hit? What he hit?
Bucks. Bro,
66.
good kick. Good kick. Bad rush stick.
Check it, reload. Regular. Hey, check it. Ozzy.
I'm trying to think of all the best man combinations we have.
Alert! Rip. Check it. 72.
Let's go. To stop, man. So pretty much he's gonna live and die with this man. So as long as we can stay confident and comfy in his pocket. Oh, my own teammate cut me off. Bro, you're losing. Bro, and just give up shit. Just piss me off. As soon as I did that, bro.
Hey, ball 66.
And then people.
56. Hey, hey.
Why did I do that? Why did I leave the comfort of my pocket?
Ozzy! Ozzy! Check it, reload! Regular, regular! Hey, check it! Alert! Regular! Hey, check! 72! Hey, goal 66! Alpha! 53, Linda! Alert! Hey, goal... Hey, Rimlin, Rimlin! Relax!
Yo! Oh my fucking goodness. Kinda like...
Alert! Rip! Shadow! Hey, Alabama, Alabama. Go Bandit! Go Bandit!
Bro!
Hey, Alabama. Sugar! Check it!
Oh, he tripped me with... Amazing, boy.
Rip! 72! Shadow! Alert!
We'll put him on the slant just to be safe.
Sugar! What you got?
Good ball! Okay.
Yellow! Hey, 57, 57, color, 57, color! Right side!
Wow. He could put a stiff arm up and just my computer just completely just don't want no smoke. My computer didn't want any smoke. This is what I'm saying, bro. This pisses me off. These games should not be as close as what they are, bro. Look at this shit! Conservative, bro. Get the fuck...
72! What you got? Wait, check. Let's go up. No, 66. Hey, Alabama, Alabama. Hey, check. Check it. Let me two. All right, here we go. 3D. Hey, Bolt 66. When he hit. Linda! Hey! Wait, set! Alert!
Come on!
Attack, attack! Right, right!
The fact that that still almost made it, shaded up and prevent defense. Man-to-man prevent defense at that. GG's to the opponent, man. GG's to the opponent.